I'm David Harris, and I work at the UH Drone Technologies Lab. It's under Dr. Shiroma and Dr. Trimble, and we develop search and rescue drones mainly, but we started working with the Navy to do some cool stuff there. We're a team of about 30 students here at UH, and we all build, fly, and design these systems that we're using. The kids today are going to be doing some cool stuff with looking at what drones we have. They're going to be able to see all the little ones. We have giant search and rescue planes, and then we're also going to be doing a demo with a little tiny drone. But for the most part, they're going to get to see the drones fly around in the room, and then they'll get to see a little bit about what we do, seeing the type of software we use, and they're going to get to look at and have their hands in the aircrafts that we fly. We in particular are moving towards the less glamorous, more gritty use of drones, which is we're doing search and rescue. We're doing sensor drop, where you take sensors and you drop them into the ocean to look at coral reefs and make sure that they're not dying too fast. Having them start now and see the kind of projects that they have, it helps the students learn that no matter what they're doing, no matter where they go for school, no matter if they go into engineering or anything, they have to have a project. Because when you have a project, you can see how whatever you're doing fits into industry. So having the students be able to come and see what kind of projects are available even, because they're going to go and see more than just the drone project. But even just being able to see that projects exist means that when they get to whatever college they're going to, that they might try and go find a project, because it helped me a lot to be able to actually figure out why school matters.